guys, and welcome to Burnsy's RT. Here is my submission to my 0 to 60 tunnel challenge. Just kidding, guys. This is my submission for the for RT Life's exhaust tunnel challenge. You know, this ended up being a lot of fun because it was really challenging finding a decent place to do this at. Don't park in a parking garage, don't really have easy access to one, and didn't have real easy access to bridges either. So you know, a couple days ago I was driving just down a normal road I normally drive, and I'm like, oh, there's a bridge, gotta do this now. So went ahead and did it, had a lot of fun. Look forward to all the other videos, and thanks again to RT Life for hosting this. Looking forward to watching all the rest. Enjoy, guys. Thanks. Let's get some tunnel action going here.